Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we'll be looking at how to build a basic Canvas app. So before we begin, we'll need a sample dataset that we can provide to Power Apps, which will enable it to connect and create a Canvas app. We will need to navigate to this page learn.microsoft.com/en-us/power-apps/maker/canvas-apps/create-from-data. This page provides steps to create a Canvas app with data from an Excel file and provides a sample dataset we can use. There are many data connectors to use, but for this example, we'll use an Excel file. You are free to use your own Excel file, but the data must be formatted as a table. So the first thing we'll have to do is download the Flooring Estimates Excel file. I already have the file downloaded on my computer, so I won't need to download it again. Once you have it downloaded, you'll want to upload this file onto your OneDrive. So you'll have to go to the OneDrive. This is part of your Microsoft 365 account and is linked to apps like Power Apps, Power BI, Power Automate, and other apps. Click on Upload, then File, then choose the Flooring Estimates Excel file. I already have it uploaded on my OneDrive, so I won't need to upload it. After you're finished uploading, you'll need to navigate to the Power Apps page. To do that, you can click on the top left square dots, then click on All Apps. Then you can use the search tool, or you can scroll down to find Power Apps. Click on Power Apps to open the Power Apps page. Once we have arrived here, we want to click on Create. As you can see, there are many connections to choose from, but we'll be using the Excel file we uploaded, so we'll click on Excel. So after you click on Excel, you want to click on OneDrive for Business. If you don't have a OneDrive for Business connection already, you'll be prompted to create one by clicking the New Connection button. Then you'll click on the Flooring Estimates file, choose the table, and click on Connect. Here, you will see an app that is created with the Flooring Estimates data. You can press the Play button, or F5, to preview the app in play. Here, it provides the entire list of items in the Excel file that we provided. It has structured the data in an interactive Canvas app which displays the images and details on each item, and it includes multiple functions such as a search option, new item button, and more. You can click on the right arrow to view the item in more detail. It will provide the category, the image, the name, a description, and a price for the specific item. There is an Edit button to edit out the specific fields that we've mentioned. And there is a Delete button to delete the item. There's also a Sort List button to sort by alphabetical order, and a Refresh button in case one of your team members has updated the Excel dataset. So you can click on the X on the top right, or press Escape to go back to the previous working Canvas view. Also, there's a good tip here where you can hold the Alt key to activate buttons and other controls while you are working on the app. Normally, if you click on the buttons, you'll just select and highlight the area and you can edit it. But if you hold the Alt key, you can activate the button and controls like this, so you won't need to preview the app and can edit it while testing it. So on the left here shows a tree view of all our items. And as you notice that with every item that I'm selecting, the things on the working canvas are being selected as well. You can see that things like Next Arrow 1, Subtitle 1, Search Icon 1, and so on are correspond to in the working canvas. So let's take a look at something like the Subtitle 1 here. On the right-hand side, it shows all the properties that we can edit for the specific item that we've selected. For example, I can change the font weight to bold, which should reflect on the app right away. I can change the text to something else like Arial. I can change the font color to something like blue, or we can change it to something like orange. But let's leave it the way it originally was for now. So as you can see on the left in the tree view, this app is broken down into 3 screens. There is the Browse screen, which is the main screen you see with the list of items. There is the Detail screen, which displays the details of each item. And there's the Edit screen, which allows you to edit the fields on a specific item. And each one of these screens has its own layout that is made up of buttons, forms, functions, items, and such for that specific screen for the user to interact with. Some of these buttons may have functions. As you can see on the function bar, it shows new form, edit form 1, and it navigates to edit screen 1. But since it's a fundamental course, you won't need to know each and every function and how to use them at a high level. So we can do some small changes to this, such as adding a space to the flooring estimates title to make it more legible. Remember that this only applies to the browse screen, so we'll have to change the floor estimate title for the detail and edit screen as well. You can insert all kinds of items and controls, such as text labels, edit forms, buttons, and many more. So overall, there are many ways to customize and design the way your Canvas app looks using any structured dataset you want. You can add data integration from a variety of sources, including Excel, SharePoint, and SQL Server. And you can publish and share their Canvas apps within their organization or even publicly.